So what I have in front of me is the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Sulfate-Free Shampoo. And it's for dry, dull, and brittle hair. The reason why I bought this was because, for one, I wanted to see what it's like for my hair. This is why I bought a travel size bottle. So in case, you know, if you do want to travel, or if you got a trip to go on and you want to shampoo your hair in between, and you don't want to carry the big shampoo bottles, which I'm sure it's not, well, yeah, it's not allowed on a plane. And they had there's other different travel size shampoos too, but I just wanted to try this one because I never really tried too much of Carol Daughter's products, and I've been using this, you know. So what I can say is, though, it lathers up really good. I do feel like a squeaky clean feeling when I'm shampooing my hair with this product. One thing I can say, though, is that if you're looking for something with a very strong smell, this isn't it. This is more like a settled, not so bold smell, but it smells really good. It smells like vanilla. It has that refreshing, fresh smell to it. It just isn't strong to other shampoos that I'm used to, but I definitely will give this, you know, a product that I use, you know, because as you can see, I've been using it for a good minute. But I mean, it may not seem like a lot because I do tend to get my hair done, but I'm back on the wanted to shampoo my hair again. You know, sometimes you don't want to go to the salon, you want to do your hair yourself sometimes, and use the product that you want to use and all that. So I was kind of like on a scavenger hunt, and I came across this. Now my hair is not really dry, dull, and brittle, but I did want something with moisture. Sometimes I get things that's not all the way for my hair, like, let's say if you have healthy hair, but I don't know why, but I want something with a little bit of extra moisture to it. So I was kind of thinking outside the box, like, okay, this is gonna give me like an extra moisture to it, which it did, and I love the results and everything. And the product has olive oil, sweet clover, and rose. So you can see that it replenishes moisture, improves manageability, and adds shine. And then the back of it, I'm not trying to tip it over the back of it, and then there's like no, you know, fishy flavors, no mineral oil, you know, stuff like that. So this is really good. I know that Carol's Daughter has a lot of hair care products, especially for girls and women, ladies, men. You know, there ain't no preference. You know, if you have wavy, curly, you know, coily, kiki, curly, wavy, whatever type of hair, like I don't believe, like, let me get this out. She does specify, you know, different, you know, products for that type of hair and stuff like that. And which I love about it, that it's natural, you know. I open up the top of it so you can see what it kind of looks like. I know it's kind of like dark, but I'm sure like, what? Oh, no, dang, all that product waste. Okay, let me just. All right, we're just gonna okay, since it's just shampoo. So how long I had this product? I had this product for, I would say, I haven't like purchased a lot of shampoos. Like I was saying, like I get my hair done, and in between when I want to use my own stuff, I'm just sampling to see what I like. But I do like this one, Carol's Daughter. You have to definitely like try other products out. I know, like, of course, like leave-in conditioners and I did not see a conditioner for this. I think it was sold out, or I didn't see it, but I definitely like it. I just wish that the smell was a little bit stronger rather than that. I mean, I get good results. Like, it defines my hair really good. It detangles it very well. Like, some shampoos leave like your hair like hard, but this one doesn't do that at all. When I'll probably put like two to three dime sizes of product. Well, I think. Let me recap. I like using a lot of shampoo, I'm not gonna lie. But I think I only like washed my hair maybe like twice. Like, you know, did a repeated cycle or whatever. And like on the first wash, I noticed how my hair was soft. Like, it felt like it had a lot of moisture. It was bringing back a lot of moisture, and due to I do have colored hair as well. And it felt amazing. I was able to get the comb through it, even though I didn't condition my hair afterwards. Like, sometimes I like to shampoo and comb my hair so they get all through, sometimes depending on how I feel. But it left my hair really soft before I can even add conditioner to it. So I would say that if you want to try this out, or if you want to give it a go, definitely. And I mean, it's a small travel size. I mean, you can't go wrong with a travel size shampoo. When you can't go wrong with a small travel size bottle. And I love the fact that she puts, like, you know, like where she's from. Like, some places, you know, I understand, like, you want to represent where you're from, you know, like, look, I came from such and such, which I definitely respect. I love the story behind of her making the products as well. You can tell that this product was made with love, which is another plus. So again, this is Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Sulfate-Free Shampoo, and the shine, oh, the shine was there. Yes, it was.